Part 9. Square roots and cube roots of negative numbers. You will find this on page 36 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Let's first go through the theory. Recall from chapter 1 that 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 3 times 3, which gives me positive 9. And now, with negative numbers, negative 3 to the power of 2 will be negative 3 times negative 3. Now, think, it's multiplication. There is 2 negative signs. It's an even amount, so that's why the answer will be positive 9. Actually, the same as what you got here when you said 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, the square root of 9 can be 3 or negative 3. In general, each positive number x has 2 square roots, a positive square root or a negative square root. It's important to notice that the square root of 9 are 3 and negative 3. But the square root, if you see the sign, here I wrote down the words, here you see the symbol, then it's only 3, not negative 3. Because that symbol means the principal square root, the positive square root only, the one that isn't negative. I think you will understand it better if I show you the following example. Find the square root of 81. I wrote it out in words. And then I asked you, evaluate square root 81. So the square root of 81 is plus and minus. Remember, it was a positive as well as a negative of 81. And that gave me an answer of positive 9 as well as negative 9. Because in positive 9, you said 9 times 9 will give me 81. But negative 9 times negative 9 will also give me 81. But if I just show you the symbol, I'm only interested in the positive part. It's the principal square root. So then it's just 9 and not negative 9. I want you to do for me, try now 10, A, B, and C. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue. Okay, let's start. Find the square roots of 36. So, because I'm putting it in words, so it's actually meaning this. And I know that the square root of 36 will be 6, so it's positive 6 and negative 6. But if I look at B, find the negative square root of 16. I'm only interested in the negative one. So what will the answer be? The answer will be negative 4. And now I just wrote down this symbol. And if it's the symbol, it's the principal square root. So the answer will just be positive 10, or actually we will just write 10. I want you just to take note of the final. Can we evaluate? Look, the negative is not outside but inside. It's the best to press it on your calculator. If you press it on your calculator, you're going to get error. Now, why is that? The reason why it cannot be inside is because if you take, say for example, 5, we know that the square root of 25 will be 5. So if you look here, if you say positive 5 times positive 5, remember the reverse of square root is square. That will give me positive 25. And if I have negative 5 times negative 5, that will give me also positive 25. So there's no way of coming to an answer of a negative. And that is why it's not a real number. It's a non-real number, which we will come to later. But let's test it with cube. If I have positive 3 times positive 3 times positive, then it's positive 27. But think of multiplication. What's a negative times a negative times negative? There's 1, 2, 3 negative signs. That's an odd amount of negative signs. So that's why the sign is negative and 27. So I can get a positive as well as a negative result. And that's why if I take the cube root of 27, it's just 3. If I take the cube root of negative 27, it's negative 3. Press it on your calculator and you will see that you get that answer.